How to contact Credit Karma customer support. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Once the homepage loads, you will find a help center at the top right corner. Click on it. In the help center, you will find articles and facts covering a wide range of common issues. You can use the search bar to type in your specific concern such as account issues, credit report errors, or login problems. If you can't find the answer to your issue, scroll to the bottom of any help article and look for a link that says Contact Us. Click that to open the contact form. Fill out the contact form with all the required details. Make sure you clearly describe your issue and attach any supporting documents if necessary. Once done, submit the form. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email from Credit Karma. Their support team usually responds within a few business days. Now you know how to contact Credit Karma customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.